This is Derpy Turtle with my good friend King and the Dragon. King and the Dragon is I will. Okay, let's just start this, okay? It's my first time recording and I'm super nervous, guys. Okay, let's chop down this wood. Chopping down this wood. Where's this? Hey, nobody messes with my wood, bro. Let's prank. Let's prank my friend. Okay, let's chop this tree and let's make a wooden axe. Guys, I'm super nervous because this is my first video and King and the Dragon's big. He has like 3 videos, I think, but that's fine. Oh, oops. I'm sorry, guys. More old planks and the crafting table. Let's place this crafting table down. Let's make some more wood and some sticks. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. Let's give this to my friend. Okay, what? So let's continue chopping this wood. Let's continue chopping this tree. Ah, let me out. Oops, sorry. Sorry, guys. I'm super nervous. Ah, hey. Why you punching me, bro? Thank you. So let's break them some more trees and we should be good to go. Wait. Yeah. We're gonna mine. What is he gonna say? Oh, okay. I'm gonna tell him to follow me and let's find some more. Let's find some cave. Let me just uh, let me just cut this tree down and we should be good to go. I think. Wait, where did he go? Oh, it's getting light. There's a chicken. Kill that little chicken. Yeah. Yes. Chicken. Wait, I'm gonna tell my friend to make our first home. Hey! Nobody touches a good friend of mine. Oh oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no. There's a creeper. Oh! I died. No, let me get my stuff. Let's run. Let's run to my death place and let's get my items back. Shall we? I hate creepers. Wait, where's my stuff? Oh my god. Let's chop this tree again. Oops. Whoa, I'm lagging so much right now. Oh, baby zombie! On your back, oh no! Oh no! Uh oh, uh oh, uh oh. I hate these zombies. Ah, there's a baby zombie. There's a baby zombie. Let's get my items real fast. And where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Okay. Let's just quickly give his items to him. So he owns half of my. Let's just quickly give it to him. Ah, this is this is the worst first night on Minecraft ever. There are your items. Let's just quickly make a crafting table again, and let's make a sword, shall we? Oops. There's a sword from my friend. Oops, I forgot to make another axe. What is he doing? Ah, zombie, zombie! No zombies allowed. Oh, why did he leave? Well, I guess this is... I'm alone now. Aww. I guess he has some important things to do, but that's okay. He'll join in next time.